Tony, would you mind, I guess, giving us a bit of an overview of what your kind of previous state looked like and what prompted you to explore Snowplow and AWS for behavioral data collection?
Yeah, definitely. So right now, actually, our current, or let's say our previous states, we actually work with a couple of different partners already to help capture some of this behavior or application level data. However, right now we actually have a number of gaps, or a couple of gaps that we need to address. First off, some of our existing tooling doesn't land the data or isn't providing the data directly into our warehouse, which means that we need to develop and manage some relatively custom and complex ETL pipelines or ELT pipelines in order to be able to extract that information from their systems or pull that information down from the systems and bring that into our warehouse. This adds not just latency in terms of when we're able to utilize the data from a usability perspective, but also it adds on some additional costs when it comes to our infrastructure and the amount of data that we're hosting as well. The other large component that we're actually looking at Snowplow for is help with our schema management. Right now, because we are part of a more decentralized organization, there is a I want to say a lack of communication, but there is a lack of, let's say a lack of communication sort of going on between potentially some changes that are going on more upstream with the teams who are making adjustments or generating that event and the teams who are analyzing that particular event as well. So if there are schema changes or if there are event structure changes, some of that information doesn't actually flow down to our end users, which causes friction when it comes to their analysis and they tooling that build that as well. And then finally, from a cost efficiency perspective and a cost scaling perspective as well, we've actually had to dial back some of the events that we actually capture because of the cost scaling concerns of some of our cost operations on that side as well. So a number of different opportunities that we're excited to partner with Snowplow and AWS on to help.